The Moon is Earth's only natural satellite, around for 4.5 billion years. It formed from debris after a giant impact between Earth and a Mars-sized body known as the Giant Impact Hypothesis. Ancient cultures created myths and legends to explain its presence. As our closest celestial neighbor, the Moon has always played a significant role in our understanding of the universe. In modern times, the Moon remains an object of scientific study. By studying the Moon, we learn more about the history of our planet. The Moon's ancient origins continue to be a subject of great interest. Its age tells us about the early solar system. The Moon's surface is covered with rocks and minerals similar to those found on Earth. The crust is mainly made up of oxygen, silicon, magnesium, iron, calcium, and aluminum, about 50 kilometers thick. Beneath the crust lies the mantle, extending down to about 1,000 kilometers, rich in iron and magnesium. At the center is the core, small compared to Earth's, thought to be made of iron and nickel. Some parts of the core may still be molten, surrounded by a semi-solid layer that may cause moonquakes. The Moon's composition helps scientists understand its formation. By studying moon rocks brought back by astronauts, we learn more about the solar system. These rocks are like time capsules, preserving the history of the Moon's surface. The Moon's structure reveals much about its origins. The Moon has a significant influence on Earth's tides, the rise and fall of sea levels. Tides are caused by the gravitational pull of the Moon and the Sun, creating bulges known as high tides. As the Earth rotates, different areas experience high and low tides, usually 2 of each per day. The difference between high and low tide is called the tidal range, varying with the Moon and Sun's positions. When aligned, we get spring tides with the highest high tides and lowest low tides occurring during the full and new moon. When at right angles, we get neap tides with the smallest tidal range. Tides affect coastal ecosystems and human activities like fishing, boating, and coastal development. Understanding tides helps us predict changes in sea levels and manage coastal areas. The Moon's role in tides shows how interconnected our planet is with its celestial neighbor. The Moon's gravitational pull is crucial for Earth's natural rhythms. The Moon has always been important in human history, used to track time and inspire myths. Many calendars are based on the lunar cycle, lasting about 29.5 days. In many cultures, the Moon was seen as a deity or a symbol of change, like the Greek goddess Selene and Roman Luna. These stories show the Moon's impact on human imagination. In modern times, the Moon became a symbol of human achievement with the Apollo missions. Astronauts walked on the Moon and brought back samples showing that humans could explore other worlds. The Moon continues to inspire new generations with future missions planned to explore its surface further. The Moon may even become a base for deeper space exploration. Its historical significance and future potential make it a key part of our space endeavors. The Moon's influence spans from ancient myths to modern science. A super blue moon is a rare event occurring when a full moon is both a supermoon and a blue moon. A supermoon happens when the Moon is closest to Earth in its orbit, appearing larger and brighter. A blue moon is the second full moon in a calendar month, though it doesn't actually turn blue. When both conditions happen at the same time, we get a super blue moon. These events combine 2 unique phenomena, giving us a chance to see the Moon in a new way. The next super blue moon will capture the attention of skywatchers around the world. These events can have cultural significance, often marked with celebrations and gatherings. The beauty and rarity of a super blue moon make it an important event for both astronomy and culture. Viewing a super blue moon is a memorable experience. To see it at its best, pick the right time and place, usually just after sunset or just before sunrise. Find a location with a clear view of the horizon, avoiding urban areas with tall buildings. Go to a place with little light pollution, like rural areas or high places. Bring a telescope or binoculars for a closer look, though the naked eye can still appreciate its size and brightness. Share the experience with others, making it a social event. Gather friends and family for a moon viewing party. Capture photos and memories to cherish. The super blue moon is a spectacle worth sharing. Enjoy the celestial show and make it a special occasion. The moon connects us all, and each sighting is unique and personal. After seeing a super blue moon, share your experience by posting photos on social media. Write about what you felt and saw, encouraging others to look up at the sky. Sharing your story can inspire them, making moon viewing a shared activity. Join online communities of skywatchers to share tips and experiences. These groups can help you learn more about the moon and other celestial events. Being part of a community enhances your enjoyment of the night sky. The moon has always brought people together, from seasoned skywatchers to beginners. Your experiences add to the collective appreciation of our nearest celestial neighbor. Look up, enjoy, and share your moon viewing adventures.